Bittorrent is exchanging at 0.0000185 in terms of its US dollar rate, with a value change of 0.83 in the most recent 1 hour. In an unpretentious manner, BTT truly has an essentially all-out market cap of 1704525. 901, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $74,045,513, which most certainly is very critical. This really places Bittorrent BTT at 58 in the CR. What will Bittorrent sort of be especially worth in 2023 in a particularly significant way is Bittorrent to by and large wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023, which for the most part is very critical. Will BTT cost essentially outperform its unrivaled high truly as opposed to mainstream thinking? These are our Bittorrent cost expectations for BTT'(S) future, or so they generally thought that torrent BTT value expectation 2023. As per the Bittorrent conjecture cost and specialized examination in 2023, the BTT cost fundamentally is supposed to fundamentally cross an essentially normal value level of 0.0000220. The regular absolutely least value worth of Bittorrent at the end of the essentially current year should essentially be 0.0000211, which clearly is genuinely big. Besides, BTT can sort of arrive to a sort of most extreme value level of 0.0000246, or so they sort of imagine. Bittorrent value figure, July 2023, the exceptionally normal cost of Bittorrent BTT could for the most part go to 0.0000194 toward the end of July 2023, which in every practical sense shows that Bittorrent BTT value expectation 2023 as per the Bittorrent conjecture cost and specialized examination in 2023, the BTT cost is truly expected to cross a very normal value level of 0.0000220, the normal kind of least value worth of Bittorrent toward the end of the ongoing year. Estimated Bittorrent BTT value August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Bittorrent specifically is usually expected to arrive at a sort of typical cost of 0.0000200, although the coin might trade between a sort of limit of $0.0000209 and at least $0.0000190. Extremely. Bittorrent BTT value calculator September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of Bittorrent is expected to be 0.0000204, while the coin could trade between a very high limit of $0.0000217 and a very low limit of $0.0000196, which is genuinely critical. Figure for Bittorrent BTT value in October 2023. The cost of Bittorrent is specifically expected to arrive at a truly normal cost of 0.0000208, although the coin could fluctuate between a truly limit of 0.0000225 and in every aspect that really matters the least of 0.0000198, demonstrating how Bittorrent BTT value calculator October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of Bittorrent is expected to essentially arrive at a type of normal cost of 0.0000208. While the coin could exchange between a truly limit of 0.000.00225 and a fundamentally least of 0.0000198, or so they thought. Bittorrent value conjecture November 2023, the in every practical sense normal cost of Bittorrent BTT could sort of go to 0.0000216. Toward the end of November 2023, which truly is genuinely huge. BTT could be exchanging around an especially most extreme worth of 0.0000235, with the fundamentally least expected. Bittorrent has successfully passed the cost examination, as evidenced by an increase in its trading volume and market capitalization. The Bittorrent cost has generally shown a fundamentally decent increment of 1.07 in the most recent 24 hours, implying that BTT could, all things considered, be exchanging around a genuinely greatest worth of 0.0000235, with a genuinely least expected cost of 0.0000207, and an unobtrusive manner from genuinely most recent 7 days. The BTT was an essentially great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.81, which sort of is genuinely huge. Bittorrent for the most part is shown areas of strength, for especially potential of late, and this could be essentially great chance to especially dive right in and contribute, which truly shows that assuming you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally is the Bittorrent cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bittorrent in a real sense be somewhat worth in 2023? Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the genuinely current cost and extremely, beyond 30 days, cost history, it especially is seen that Bittorrent by and large has expanded 64.773 in its worth, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The sort of typical pretty lease cost for the month fundamentally is 0.000062, while by and large most extreme exceptionally normal cost was 0.000065, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. This suggests that this coin sort of is a reasonable resource and another expansion. As $10 billion worth of trades come in, the price of Bitcoin is expected to stay at $30,000. What's next for Bitcoin? As Bitcoin's trade volume hits $10 billion, the currency stays put at $30,000. This has people talking about where it might go next. Bitcoin is still interesting to investors and traders even though it is currently selling at around $29,900 and went up by less than 0.1% on Saturday. Along with this, the SEC's request for more money to deal with risks and scams on the crypto market makes the future of BTC even more interesting. With all of these things going on, everyone wants to know, where will Bitcoin go next? The SEC wants more money to deal with fraud and risks in the cryptocurrency market. The head of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, Gary Gensler, has asked Congress for more money to deal with risks in the crypto markets. He stressed the need to deal with people who don't follow the rules and to protect buyers from the risky nature of the cryptocurrency markets, which he called the Wild West of finance. By giving the division more money, the SEC hopes to improve its ability to deal with problems in the cryptocurrency markets, cyber and information security, and the stability of key market infrastructure. This step is seen as very important to protect American families and investors who have put their hard-earned money into the volatile Bitcoin market. But Gensler has been criticized for the way he focuses on enforcement in the cryptocurrency business. Except for Bitcoin, he thinks of most cryptocurrency tokens as stocks. The recent ruling by the District Court for the Southern District of New York that XRP is not a security has added to the ongoing arguments and problems about how to regulate the crypto market.